Lovelies, how are you? I'm going to do some winter Christmas nails today, and I'm going to use these. These are new colours to me from Madame Glam, and I've got 4 to swatch. I've already got the sticks ready, and I have got 3 of the regular formula and 1 of the Korean, and the Korean one is called Soft Lullaby. So that's that one. And then these 3 I have Pure Cloud, Moonlit Mystique and A Glimpse of Light. So I've gone for all the bluey shades because I want to do some snowflakey nails, so I thought blue would be nice. So let's start with these, Soft Lullaby. So these are usually a little bit thinner but still opaque texture, but this one's got glitter in it. Oh, you know when you're picking your colours, you like putting your own collection together, aren't you, really? So I might call this my Winter Wonderland, because I love that. So obviously I've picked things that I thought might go together. In the main anyway, I think there's one that's a little bit different. Do this other blue. This is Pure Cloud. Oh, keep doing that, don't I? Ooh. Oh, that's so creamy. Wow. I love that. That's going to look nice. Moonlit Mystique. So, darker glitter. Oh, wow. Oh, I love that. Do you know these glitters? I can't believe how glittery they are, to say how creamy they are. Wow. It's same consistency as that pinky one I had called Dearest. Oh, that is stunning. Oh, I might have to wear that Christmas Day. I've got a navy blue top I want to wear. I'll just smush that in the lamp. That's just one coat. Wow. And then this one is Glimpse of Light. So this has got flecky bits in. I think it might be similar to that terrazzo in that it's got the bits in, but this is on a pale bluey grey, I hope. Yeah, it's got black and gold in it. Right, black and white bits and gold shards. Beautiful. Aren't they gorgeous? Look at that shimmer. Oh, love that. So, Glimpse of Light, Moonlit Mystique, Pure Cloud and Soft Lullaby. Very nice. Right, I want to use some stickers today. I want to do a set of press-on nails with penguins on. So, I'll get the tips ready and we'll get them painted up. So, I'll just talk you through. So, I'm doing the plain blue at the top and then the glitter at the bottom and doing an ombre with them. So I'm going to use my ombre brush. I've tried just doing it a little bit like that and then decided the side to side would do it. But I think they blend really well, this plain blue and the glitter. And I hope my voice is okay on this voiceover. I really do need to get a microphone for when I'm doing voiceover. I can tell it's not as good as from my iPhone. So I'll have to see what's best one that'll plug into my phone or my Mac. So yeah, I hope you can hear me okay. So just second coat now. And with some of them, I'm doing an extra coat on just the glitter at the bottom and fading it up a little bit more, but for the most part, it's 2 coats of each. And I'm going to do that on all the nails apart from the middle one, I think. So when you're using these stickers, these are very kind of stretchy vinyl stickers. They're quite good actually, but you've got to be careful when you're picking them off. And they're really nice and sticky. So these are from Temu. So what I've done is I've just taken the inhibition layer off the nails first with some alcohol. Very carefully peel it up. Make sure I've got that other head free. That's it before I start, otherwise you'll end up splitting them. Yeah, and they stick really well. There's a slight stretch to them, like I said, so they went around that curve nicely. And then I use a silicone tool just to make sure the edges are really, really stuck down. So after I'd finished these nails and doing this editing, I'm realising I could have put a few little snowflakes, just like little dots, coming down onto the penguins. I should have done that. I could have put in some little snow on his head, couldn't I? Anyway, this is what we've got now. There's going to be snowflakes on the other nails, so I'll just show you putting a couple of those on, I think. Oh, I'm going for this one. This is the thumb, because we've got the 2 penguins on this. These are really cute. Could try painting these, but it's just so much easier. And they're very effective. So if you know of any others that are similar. What bugs me a lot when you're buying stickers is the picture that you see on the thing. If you look at the stickers in the same listing, they're not always actually what you're getting. They use AI, I think, now for a lot of photos. None of my stuff's ever AI. I wouldn't know how to do it. So this is Moonlit Mystique, and I'm going to do 2 coats of this all over these nails. And then I'm just using that, is it Pure Cloud, did I call it? Yeah. Just around the edge, and then I'm going to feather that in a little bit. And this is on both of the middle fingers. And on this one, I'm going to put Let It Snow. And I think on the next one it says Hello Winter. So before I've cured that, I'm just going to feather it in a little bit. So if you've got any ideas of anything that you want me to try for winter or Christmas nails, let me know. And I'll put it on my list. Thank you to anybody that's, I think there's 3 of you that's left me questions in the community section on my channel. I've asked for 10 questions. I think I've got about 7. And some of you have given me more than 1 question, so that's lovely. So anything that you want to ask me, do it in that listing on the community section. So that's that. So I'm just going to cure that, wipe off the tacky layer, and then this one's going to be Let It Snow. Oh, I've had to put that down there because I've realised I've not wiped off that tacky layer, and sometimes it floats over the top of the inhibition layer and it doesn't stick so well, so you're better to wipe it off. So I'll just let you watch this and I'll get them boxed up and show you the finished set. So here's your colours again. I've used all those top 3 and did the ombre, so I think these have turned out really cute. Love these stickers. If you want links to them stickers, let me know. And don't forget, there's a discount code for 35% in the description box, or you can join VIP with Madam Glam. And I hope you've enjoyed it. Thank you very much for watching, everybody. Thanks, Madam Glam, for sending it. And please don't forget to click the like and subscribe if you haven't. If you have enjoyed it. And I'll see you next time. Love you loads. Bye.